Okay, here we have a unit where we want to make sure that the entire front is level and your surface is clean of fingerprints, dust, and any lint. So we've cleaned our surface, our unit is level, and I've just added a piece of masking tape here that is exactly halfway, and this edge is halfway through the center of the unit, so I know how to center my word. You're going to take your word, which has your center line and leveling line already drawn on it for you, and I'm just going to kind of place it about here. You can place it wherever you wish on your unit. Lightly tack that up, and then I want to make sure that it is centered, which it's not. So I'm going to go ahead and move that. Slide my ruler out. Double check. That's good. And then I'm going to take my level and make sure that the word is level on the door. That looks good. So now I'm going to secure the word with just some masking tape. You can use painter's tape as well. By doing this, I have created a hinge for my word. You're going to take a thick card, a credit card, gift card will work in this situation. And by rubbing the letters, I'm going to make sure that the vinyl is going to adhere to my top transfer layer. Flip it up with my hinge. Separate the layers. Slowly pull back and away in the same direction against the unit so that the vinyl does not tear or pull as it's separating. Pull it taut, tack it down in the corners. Rub again with your card. And again, pick a corner, slowly pull in the same direction. Making sure that the vinyl now is sticking to the surface. Now you have your word. The next piece here is the cigar. Now because this vinyl is a little thicker, you don't actually have to line it up if you don't want. If you want it on an angle, you can install this however you want. Because I do want this level, because it's a single cigar, I'm going to apply my tape, get it in position, and you can either measure this if you want to be extremely accurate, or you can eyeball it. I'm going to use the bottom edge and make sure it's level. And again, same thing here, this backing will come off much easier because it is a thicker vinyl. And you're done.